Welcome to Artisan Heirloom Foods. I'm Sayer, and today I would like to share with you a garden bed update. So this is my Japanese black corn bed. It also has cattle beans planted in between the corn. Now, as you can see, the corn in some areas are sparsely coming up, and that's because, unfortunately, because I live in the country, we have field mice, and probably about 20 or 30 corn kernels got dug up and eaten by the field mice. But this is what I have remaining, and it's quite a few. I'm really excited to see this corn grow to maturity. It has green stalks and leaves, and the leaves are candy striped white, and of course the corn itself is black. So I'm really excited, and it'll be very interesting to see how this corn turns out in my area. Now, you can see there all the little ants and little creatures scouring across the top of the bed. I'm not too concerned with these, little critters. They don't tend to nibble too much on the vegetables. But, I'm really excited. We're now at May 18th today, and it's been about a week and a half, and my corn is shooting up, and it's looking good. So I'm really excited, and we should have some more cattle beans popping up. I have 3 of them. There's one there at the bottom, one at the very top, and then there'll be another one showing up here in a second. I want to say thank you for sharing your time with me. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, comment, share, and until my next video, you all take care.